It is said that eating instant noodles is not good for health, but because it tastes good and is easy to eat, it is loved by many people. So how does the factory make instant noodles? First, the pork bones are sent through a grinder, which breaks them into small pieces, which are then collected in this giant strainer and moved to a large pot to boil for 24 hours. At the same time, workers began to process other materials for making sauce packets. They feed the meat into a cutting machine, slice it into thick slices, then cut it into small cubes, pour it into a soup and cook it. When the bone broth is ready, it can be poured into a blender and mixed with other seasonings such as chili and soy sauce. The vegetables in instant noodles are being prepared. After dehydration, the chopped green onions, carrots and shiitake mushrooms will be mixed by the machine according to a fixed ratio and packaged. Next, start making the pancakes. First, pour the concentrated chicken soup into the water, then let the pipeline pump the chicken soup and flour into the mixer machine for stewing, so that the umami taste of the chicken soup gradually melts into the dough. When the flour reaches the proper viscosity, it is transferred to an extruder, and then passed through a series of noodle-making machines into curved shapes. But at this time, the noodles are not yet formed, so they need to be steamed through a steamer, and then the noodles will turn golden yellow. Then the machine will cut off the noodles according to the weight of each package and drop them into the container below, and then spread the dough flat by the air jet device, and then it can be sent to the oven for drying and shaping. Then the small hammer on the assembly line will remove the excess part of the dough cake, so as to ensure that the weight of each dough cake is consistent. Now these noodles can be sold together with the material packaging.